Critical race theory. You are not a victim. I'm sick and tired of people teaching you that just because you're black, or just because you're a woman, or just because you're from another country, or just because you're whatever it is, that you're a victim and you can't do something. That is a lie from Satan. You can do anything you want to do. The Bible clearly states, Philippians 4:13, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. If you want to do something, you'll find a way. And if you don't, you'll find an excuse. Okay? Look, case in point. Ubaldo Jimenez. He's a pitcher, one of the greatest of all time. And he started off in El Salvador. If anybody could say that they are a victim, it's someone from a third world country. Ubaldo got beat every single day. He literally got beat by his mother. Not a little spanking, but beat. It was abuse, and she would have been called OCYS, Children's Services, or whatever they call it in your state. She would have been put in prison for that. But Ubaldo said he was thankful that his mother beat him every day and say, you stay out of the gangs. You stay out of the gangs. She beat him with a stick, okay, from a tree. And because of that, Ubaldo and his friends formed a baseball league. They found a doll's head and a stick. And every day they played baseball in El Salvador instead of being in the gang. And Ubaldo came to America because he was drafted to Major League Baseball. And Ubaldo is still to this day hurled racial epithets. If anybody could say that they're a victim, it is Ubaldo Jimenez. But instead, Ubaldo said that his adversities were his advantage, that his obstacles were opportunities for him to become better. And now Ubaldo Jimenez is one of the greatest GOAT of all time pitchers. Critical race theory. You are not a victim. If Ubaldo can do whatever he wants to do in a third world country, in his circumstances, then you can do anything that you want to do. And if you want to do something badly enough, you'll find the way. And if you don't, you will find an excuse. So, find the Ubaldo Jimenez in you. Cheap, crunch, case closed. Just do it. You're worth it. My name is Liberty V Justice, and there is no period in my V because my victories never end. And yours don't have to either, my friend. Click right here to watch the whole playlist on money mindset, because you're worth it. Subscribe.